Hey everybody, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. We just finished up another awesome home theater project here in Carrolton. I wanted to show off to you today. We have a 120-inch ultra-white 4K screen with the Home Cinema 4050 from Epson, and we're using a Klipsch Professional Series 5.1.2 in-wall surround system with the reference Premiere 640 here at the front. I want to show you these in-walls. You can see the finished product is very clean. Some people like the grills to be off. In this case, we're leaving them on. They are magnetic, and they have rotatable tweeters to position your audio directionally towards your target seating area. And then you can see the same situation here with the center speaker. You got your 6 3.5-inch woofers, ceramic metallic woofers, and that 90 by 90 horn. And then over here, same thing. Except for this is a 6-inch and the 90 by 90 horn. Overhead, we use the Designer Series for our Atmos effects. And then at the rear of the room, Designer Series in walls for our rears. And then our one subwoofer, and this is the SPL series. They got that nice big magnet on the back, 10-inch sub, the SPL-100. And then last but not least, our rack, which is back here in the closet. And we use the Strong FS series 15U rack. And this has a lock on it, so you can lock it up, keep the kids out of there. Nice glass door on here, all the side panels to keep all the wiring hidden. And we have our tube lights with the Wattbox surge protector here to make sure everything is filtering out the noise as well as protect them from lightning strikes. And I just like the tube lights because they look nice. And they can be folded in as well if you don't like the look of that, as well as dim them or just turn them off. And then we're using the Denon 2500 in command series to power the whole system up. We also have our Xbox One, a Apple TV 4K, and then the remote processor. So we're using the Pro Control system, and this is the Prolink.r with the Pro-24R, and that's so that everything can be in here, hidden, out of sight, and we'll be able to control it all through radio frequency. Very nice little system. Customer's happy, I'm happy. If you guys would like to purchase this product, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. So what do you think?
Nice. It looks really good. It's definitely loud. I feel like I'm in a movie theater.